had a few people ask for updates on this camshaft. I'm just now putting a oil change in it at 8,000 miles since the whole timing belt and camshaft swap. So I haven't put a whole lot of miles on it, but it should be pretty well broke in. So I figured I'd pull the valve cover off and just check it out here. And if you guys can see, overall it still looks like new. There's one, let me see if I can get it in this video. Oh, there it is. There's one spot right there on that one lifter that looks a little stressed. I don't know, but a lot of the other ones just look brand new still. So I'll probably go a few more oil changes and check it out again, but overall I'd say it definitely broke in well, and can't complain at all with the performance. I did have somebody else ask about adjusting the backlash on the injectors. I guess I don't feel like that's necessary unless you're actually adjusting or doing something different with the injectors. They shouldn't change, but I am going to be upgrading injectors here soon, so I will go through and do a video on setting that backlash later on. And other than that, yeah, it's just working great. Car is very smooth, and with the Techmetronics tune on here, I can't be happier with it. It just barely uses fuel at all. So I'll put a link here to the kit that I used again in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm looking like this camshaft should work well. So thanks for watching, guys.